Welcome to Madison, Indiana, guys. And real quick, right behind me, that's the Madison Railroad hike I did back last year. Pretty much a year. The historical railroad track. But today, we're going to the river and we're going to do some exploring. The river seems to be up, so I'm not sure how much we're going to be able to get, but we're going to get something. Okay, I'm going to run a long intro of us getting here. And the only reason I'm doing it because some of the roads we went were just spectacular. These are not exactly beauty shots. Okay, for the remainder of the video, we're gonna probably just do some talking. Now this river, which is Ohio River, Stormy, by the way, Stormy's being super brand new because she's never been here before, and there's also other dogs down here, and she's wanting to pull and twist and, but anyway, the Ohio River here in Madison, Indiana, and Madison itself is famous for a movie that was back out in the 70s. Okay, correction. The movie was back in the 80s based on the 70s. And the movie was called Miss Madison. Miss Madison was a speedboat. They used to hold a regatta, and I think they still do even today. Oh, there's Stormy. Everywhere we go, there's another dog. And my dog acts like a freaking butthead. Stormy, please. Oh my gosh. But anyway, Miss Madison was a speedboat. And that's what the movie was based on. And it all took place here in Madison, Indiana. True. It's a true story. Oh my gosh. The river's up, by the way. We've had a lot of rain. Okay, we're going to walk up a little bit more. And at the end of this video, I've seen some really cool rock formation. I want to show that before we end it. And today, I'm not done. On the way home, we're going to be going through Vivi, Indiana. Most people call it Vive, but us that live here in southeastern Indiana, we call it Vivi. Yes. And we're going to get some footage there. No, you wouldn't be able to handle her, babe.
Oh, you want that?
No. It's best I keep her when there's other animals around and people. Trust me.
I can do it.
Now, I know you could probably do it. Maybe when we get to BB, okay, hon? I know she could do it, guys. It's just I feel safer if I hold her. All right, guys. Oh, my gosh. You know what I hate was when I make a video and then my mind is so worried about what she's going to do. It's for crap. There's a big, beautiful yellow house. I'm going to try to get on here from a distance before we head back, but jeez. Stormy is not behaving whatsoever. It's a nice day, but it's extremely windy. Holy, is it ever. In the distance is a big, beautiful yellow house. I have no idea what it's about. Hell, it may be a residence, but even these trees are kind of pretty, aren't they? Yeah. Nice out here. When we come to places like this, I did not think there was going to be a lot of dogs here, but I should have known. And it's a tight sidewalk we gotta walk down. And holy, my stress level right now is off the charts. I want to do this justice. But guys, Madison, Indiana, we will be coming back here for a lot of other stuff. We'll be back here to do that Madison Historical Railroad hike too, again. You know, when I used to walk Stormy every single day, when I did my walking workout, I had her to the point where somebody passed us, she stayed calm. Well, since I can't walk her because of other dogs nowadays, and I only take her on the adventures Angie and I go on, I lost that ability. I mean, she's not going to launch at anybody because I still got her on a leash and everything, but still, I lost the ability of her minding me. Are you contemplating a jumping in?
Yeah, thinking about it. Why?
Okay. I just had one problem with that.
Like,
you're going to get the seats of my car wet if you jump in.
That's nice.
Okay.
Good girl.
Stormy.
Plus, can you swim?
Good.
When I was doing that video clip, somebody passed behind us and Stormy was actually behaving. All right, Liz, we're going to head down towards the car. You coming?
No, I'm gonna jump in.
Okay. Swim down there if you can. By the way, guys, I'm just joking with my daughter. A lot of my friends and my family say it's me is why she acts like that, because I get so worried and she picks up on that. I don't know. It could be.
Yeah.
All right, you're gonna be good? You ready? Okay. Come on, no pool, no pool. I just ran into that pool back there myself. I'm telling you not to pull, and you made me run into a pool. Yeah. Yes, that's a doggy park over there. Lots of people. You're so excited. Okay, let's catch up with Mom. Okay, we're walking right and across the street from the dog park. But Angie was telling me when I did that one clip and the lady walked real close to us, she even held her hand out to pet Stormy. My God, I didn't even know that. Man, she could have probably got her hand bit off.
Yeah, Stormy didn't even react.
And Stormy didn't even react. Maybe it is me. Maybe that's the problem. I mean,
Well,
it's got to be me. Okay, we're getting ready to walk past the dog in the car.
Dogs, but...
Oh, Stormy's gonna go nuts here. No, to me. Okay. I hear you, puppy. I'm sorry. All right, guys. I will film when we get to the rock formation up here. That might be kind of interesting too, because not too far away from that is a dog off its leash. And so we figure something out. But guys, yeah, Madison, Indiana. Holy. We figured we'd come down to the river and do this. One day we'll come and get the town. And then another day we'll do the river hike again. That's right. This is a long way from home, by the way. We're a good piece out. But today I'm also going to get some footage of VV, Indiana on the way home, like I said before. All right, guys, let's see you at the rock formation.
Right.
Okay, I let Elizabeth hold on to Stormy. Either she will mind perfectly, or we may be chasing a dog down here somewhere in Madison if she gets loose. But look at this. I'm going to do a pan around. My God, is this beautiful. Gotta make sure nobody's walking up. Okay. Busy down here today because it's a warmer day. Everybody's out. Now, we don't have our hiking boots on, or this would be tempting to do it. My favorite trail of all time, by the way, guys, is the Historical Railroad Track. This is my very favorite of all time right here. I have not hit a trail quite as beautiful and unique as this. All right, let's head over to the rock formation and we'll close it out from there. This rock formation somewhat reminds me of another rock formation I got some video footage of that I had to cancel. I had to get rid of it because I was on private property and did not know that. Yeah. Okay, guys, I have no idea what this is, but to me, it's beautiful. Let me show you. Quite unique, isn't it? Interesting. I don't know what it is, something about big, huge boulders like this I get very intrigued with. Couldn't tell you why, but I do. Something about big boulders. almost as intriguing as the trees I see, the tree formation. But wow, isn't it beautiful? All right, we're going to take off out of here and head to Vivi. You will see that in my next video if everything goes to plan. And yeah, Vivi's about maybe 40 miles that way. What did I say, 40? More like 30. So guys, we're going to head to Vivi and see about getting some footage there. It's another unique town. We probably will not get the river there. Only reason because, well, ain't really a lot to see at the river. Huh? Maybe we will. I don't know. I kind of want to get walking through the town. I kind of want to do that. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure. Come on. Let's get out of here.